I'll show you how to cook some frog legs. I soak them in milk for 24 hours. Get some of that reptilian out of them, some of that swamp, whatever you call it. Let them soak in milk. You don't have to do that. You can put them in egg white or eggs if you want. I get a cup of flour. What is it? Half teaspoon of seasoned salt, half teaspoon of pepper, and half a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. And I heat my oil up. Stir this up. If you cook these fresh enough, they'll start hopping in the pan. It's pretty cool. Squeeze them in there and get it all. You can use breadcrumbs. You can use panko. This is how I like them personally. I know some people that crush up cornflakes. Then you get your oil up to 350 degrees. Then we're going to fry them. Once your oil heats up, you're going to put them in. That oil's a little bit too hot. I'm going to turn it down. I'll come back when we're flipping them over. The only thing better than fried chicken is fried frog legs. You gotta eat them while they're hot. If you let them get cold, they taste kind of funky. I don't know about reheating them. I ain't never tried that. I don't think I'm brave enough to reheat them. I eat them as soon as they come out. Those things right there.
That's hot.
It's hot. It's good. Try it.
Oh, that's really good.
Better than chicken. The fresher they are, the better they are.
Like it tastes like chicken, but it tastes kind of like chewy, and it's really good.
Yum.
And it's crunchy.
Delicious.
This is mine now.
Tear it up, son.